So this is the new GoPro HERO11 Black, and this brings some massive upgrades, starting with a new, larger sensor, next generation image quality, class leading stabilization, and a ton of new features that will absolutely transform how you can use the GoPro. Now the hardware itself hasn't changed in dimension from the GoPro 10, so you still get the same compact design. You have dual LCD screens on the front and the back. You have those built-in GoPro folding fingers on the bottom of the camera, and this means all of your favorite GoPro accessories, even cases for the GoPro 10, will continue working on this GoPro HERO11 Black. And there are a ton of them out there. My favorite is actually this one. This is called the Media Mod, and it basically turns your GoPro into the perfect vlogging setup. So you have an actual microphone, directional microphone, a windscreen, cold shoe mounts, 2 of them actually, and a 3.5 millimeter accessory port for adding additional audio inputs. So combine this with your GoPro, which has a wide angle lens and a front facing screen, and this literally has everything you need to be a perfect compact and lightweight vlogging setup.
Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're out here at the Boise Bike Park.
Now in the box you get a GoPro HERO11 Black, USB cable, mounting buckle, curved adhesive mount, and a thumb screw to attach it all together. You also get the same rugged durability that GoPro is known for, so you have a waterproof rating of 33 feet, and that's without adding any extra waterproof housings or cases, which actually allow it to go even deeper. Now the camera also comes with GoPro's new Enduro battery right in the box, and this gets you improved cold weather performance and longer recording times overall. Now the center of attention is definitely the new larger sensor, because this sensor does way more than just improve image quality. GoPro actually took the size of the old sensor and increased it vertically, so now the new sensor has an aspect ratio of 8:7, and this adds a ton of functionality to the camera. So you can still record in all of your other aspect ratios, so 16:9, 4:3, but now you can also shoot in this almost square 8:7 aspect ratio. And doing this gives you so much more room to reframe that video in post, or you can take that same video and reframe it vertically, giving you a much larger area of the frame than the previous cameras. It also gives GoPro more area to improve their stabilization overall. And they even have this mode called Horizon Lock that keeps your horizon completely steady no matter how you're holding the camera. And with this larger sensor, it means it still has that wide angle look that everyone loves, with minimal cropping into the frame when you're using this mode. Now there's also a new view called Hyperview, which uses all of that extra vertical space and stretches it to give you this extra wide looking view for those of you craving the widest frame possible. Now this new sensor also has improved quality, so you get high resolution 27 megapixel photos, 5.3K video up to 60 frames per second, 4K video up to 120 frames per second, and 2.7K up to 240 frames per second for the ultimate slow motion. Color reproduction also gets an upgrade, so you now have 10-bit encoding and improved auto exposure overall. The HERO11 also adds a bunch of different night modes with options for like light painting, light trails, star trails, and it also has the amazing 5.3K time lapse and time warp features, which I use all the time. Now, when you first turn on the camera, you will actually see a new easy mode that works more like automatic modes in a lot of other cameras. It limits some of the more advanced controls, but if you prefer having all that advanced functionality, GoPro still offers that. You can get it back by switching on the Pro mode in the settings menu. Now GoPro's Quick app, which is available as a free download, connects instantly to the GoPro 11 and offers remote control functionality and a full editing suite with the ability to download images and videos right to your phone. You also have the unique ability to automatically back up your images and video to the cloud with an option to clear up space on your camera's micro SD card once your backups are complete, so you have more time to go start recording again. And with a GoPro subscription, you get unlimited full quality cloud backups. You have enhanced editing options and even a highlight video video that gets automatically edited by GoPro and sent straight to your phone if you'd like it. This new GoPro Hero 11 Black improves on basically every area of the camera, from the functionality and features to the Emmy award-winning stabilization and most importantly, image quality. And with all of this combined into this compact, rugged, and waterproof housing, the GoPro Hero 11 goes beyond the extreme action camera to become an amazing compact camera for absolutely so much more.